Today I'm making a Southern Ambrosia apple pie. It's using fresh apples, but it's quite different than your normal apple pie. Has a wonderful topping on it when it's complete. So let's get started on Doreen's table. All right, I'm going to start with the brown sugar, and I'm going to add the cornstarch and blend this really well. Also the salt. All right, so let's mix this. And now the apple juice. Stir well. Add the butter. I'm going to bring this to a boil. I put the lemon juice on the fresh apples rather than added it in here because I wanted to keep the apples from turning brown. But I did 5 cups of fresh apples, cored, seeded, and sliced. You only want to cook these about 5 to 7 minutes. Slightly cooked. You don't want to cook them all the way through because it will be baked. Now I'll mix the custard to go over the apple. I mixed the sugar and the cinnamon first. I always mix my cinnamon with my sugar first. Then I added the egg, evaporated milk, and now vanilla bean paste. I've heated the oven to 350 degrees. All right, so here's my pre-baked crust. I always bake my crust first, even for a baked pie. It really keeps the bottom crust from getting soggy. Don't those apples look good? All right, spread the apples evenly around. And now I'm going to put the sugar, cinnamon, milk mixture over the top. This will bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. I'm putting the silicone ring on because I have baked the crust and I don't want the outer crust to continue browning. This protects it. These are so easy to use. You can get them on Amazon. All right, into the oven for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The next step will be to let this pie cool completely, and then it'll go into the refrigerator until it's cold before we put the ambrosia topping on it. So I left my pie in the refrigerator overnight. It's nice and cold, ready for the ambrosia topping. I'm going to make the ambrosia topping now. So that's 8 ounces, 1 block of cream cheese, full-fat cream cheese, and the sugar. So I'm going to push everything down from the sides, add my vanilla bean paste. And now the whipped cream, which I made previously. So we're going to fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese sugar mixture. This is such a good topping. It really is such a rich pie. Now the pecans and toasted coconut. Half a cup of sweetened toasted coconut. You can make your own or you can buy it. I like to buy it from nuts.com. It's so easy to use and it's always so fresh. Here we go on top of the fresh apple pie. I wanted to show you this pie because it's quite different and really nice for the holidays. It would be a great Easter pie. Spread this around evenly. Smooth it out and decorate it with pecan halves. And hopefully I'm putting them so they land in the middle of a slice. This is a very, very rich pie, and it's actually easy to make. Just a lot different, actually, than a regular apple pie, which I also love, and we'll be making one of those in the next few weeks. Southern Ambrosia apple pie. Wow, this pie turned out beautifully, and it's always a crowd pleaser wherever I take it. You can see why. Beautiful sliced apples and that wonderful pecan cream topping made with cream cheese, pecans, whipped cream, vanilla, sugar, and toasted coconut. Now that's a mouthful, and a tasty mouthful, I promise. If you are looking for something a little different to wow your family or guests, please give this recipe a try. Go to darlenestable.com and find the recipe with all the ingredients so you can make this for yourself. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give us a like and consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with what is going on right here on Darlene's Table.